What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the end of a cord here. So this is a 3-pronged cord that got messed up. It actually got stuck into this one, and you can see this one actually messed up 2 of these different guys, my blower and another one. And so I'm going to replace this with this one, and then this one with this one. So pretty simple. First you just got to take this guy off. Got these at Home Depot, super simple. Cut off the cord.
And then here I just use a utility knife to get that outer sheath or extra insulation on the outside of the cord there, just very lightly taking that off. And then I'm not really sure why I didn't just grab the wire strippers right next to me, but I used the same method, just lightly pressing with the utility knife to strip that wire at the end there. So the wire strippers definitely would have been a lot easier. So then you're just going to take the female end of the replacement and just loosen up that set screw, and then you're going to have to insert all those wires into the set screws for each of their respected screws. So the green goes with green, ground, so I'll loosen up that ground screw and stuff that in there, and then tighten it back down, and then do the same thing for the white and the black screw. So overall pretty easy. You just loosen up each of the set screws, so the green one for the ground, the white one for the common, and the black one for the hot. So make sure when you're putting them on that you go counterclockwise, so that when you screw them down it tightens them instead of trying to get them, kind of pushes them off a little bit. So notice I kind of made a little circle with the wire around the screw under the screw head, and then tightened it up real good so that it could be super tight onto the screw. And then once they're all screwed on nice and snug, then you just close the housing unit and do that extra set screw to kind of keep that closed on there, and you're all set. So look at that, good as new. So everything's the same for the male end. So see, I'm just using the utility knife to take off the insulation of the outside of the cord. This one actually had some extra little like fiberglass stuff in there to have some extra insulation, so just cut that off. It's not really needed. And then I actually got smart this time and used the wire strippers to strip the end of the wire there. So much easier to do it that way. And the rest is exactly the same. So you're just loosening up the set screws on each of the respective wires and putting each wire on counterclockwise underneath the head, screwing it down real tight. Green goes to green, the brass one goes with the black wire, and the white one goes with the silver wire. I think of it like silver is closer to white, so it goes to the white on silver. So pretty simple. That's how you can save a lot of money. Instead of buying a whole new cord, just replace the ends.